Hey guys, welcome to Fab Dentist. In this video, we are going to discuss about plaque index. So please do like, share and subscribe my video. So without getting delayed, let's get started. What is plaque index? Plaque index is described by Saint-Louis J and Loe H in 1964, basically used for assessment of the plaque. This index not consider the coronal portion of the plaque on the tooth surface area. Assesses only the thickness if plaque at the gingival area of the tooth. Can be used as full mouth index or as a simplified index. What are the tooth which are examined during the plaque index calculation? The tooths are 1-6, that is maxillary right first molar, 1-2, that is maxillary right lateral incisor, 2-4 maxillary left first bicuspid, 3-6 mandibular left first molar, 3-2 mandibular left lateral incisor, and 4-4 that is mandibular right first bicuspid, which means premolars. Now, the tooth which are circled by red are examined, that is 1-6, 1-2, 2-4, 3-6, 3-2 and 4-4. Okay. Now, there is only one drawback. If any of the given index teeth are missing, that is 1-6, 1-2, 2-4, 3-6, 3-2 or 4-4, any one of these teeth are missing, then there is no substitution for this and full mouth examination has to be done, which means the tooth which are marked by red are missing, then one should have to go for full mouth scoring, that is from maxillary right second molar to the left and mandibular left second to right second molars. Okay, there is no substitution for the tooth which are marked by red, that is 1-6, 1-2, 2-4, 3-6, 3-2 and 4-4. If any one of these are missing, there is no substitution. Okay, now what are the surface which are examined? Okay, the 4 gingival surface of a tooth are examined, that is distofacial, facial, mesofacial and lingual. Now, the third molar are not examined or scored in upper or lower arch. What is the instrument that is used during scoring our plaque index? Mouth mirror, dental explorer, air drying of the teeth and the gingiva. Now, what is the procedure? The tooth is air dried and examined visually. When no plaque is visible, an explorer is used to test the surface. The explorer is passed across the tooth surface in the cervical third and near to the gingival sulcus. When no plaque adheres to the point of the explorer, the area is considered to have the 0 score. If a thin film, then 1, 2 and so on. Okay. Now, what is the scoring criteria? How can we give a score that it has 0 score for plaque, 1, 2 or 3? 0 score 0 means there is no plaque. Not visually, not seen through naked eyes or not seen via explorer. Okay. 1 means a film of plaque adhering to the free gingival margin and adjacent area of the tooth. 2 means moderate accumulation of soft deposit within the gingival margin at or adjacent tooth surface, which can be seen by our naked eyes. 3 means abundance of the soft matter within the gingival pocket and or on the gingival margin and the adjacent tooth surface. C. 0 means there is no plaque. 1 means a thin film of plaque adhering to the free gingival margin. 2 means moderate accumulation of soft deposit within the gingival pocket. 3 means abundance of the soft matter within the gingival pocket. Now, how we are going to calculate the plaque index? The plaque index score for an area is the score from the 4 area of the tooth are added and divided by 4. What it means is, for scoring the index of an individual tooth, suppose 1/6, ठीक है, we are going to examine tooth 1/6. We are going to see all the 4 gingival surface area of 1/6, that is distofacial, facial, mesofacial, lingual surface. Okay, suppose we give score 0 for distofacial, 2 for our facial surface, 1 for our mesofacial surface, okay, and 1 for our lingual surface. Okay, then we are going to add it up and divide it by 4. Okay, which means 0. What it comes is the area, is the score of the area of a particular tooth. Okay, means 0 is the score, 0 is the score of an area of 1/6. ठीक है, get it, means 1/6 have 0 score. Okay, now how we are going to calculate plaque index score for a group. ठीक है, we are going to we are going to look of the plaque, suppose we are going to examine 4 tooth. Okay, then we are going to adding the score of the particular 4 tooth. Okay, then get it divided by the number of the tooth examined. Means if we are examine 4 tooth, ठीक है, if we are examine 4 tooth, we are going to divide it by 4. If we are going to examine 6 tooth, we are going to divide it by the 6. This is the plaque index score. ठीक है, getting my point? What I mean to say is, if we are taking 4 tooth, ठीक है, then we are going to see all the surface of these 4 tooth. Okay, adding this score, this 4 surface, adding this score, and then divided by the number of the tooth examined, that is 4. Okay, or else if we are going to examine 6, then we are going to add all, then we are going to examine all the 4 surface of these 6 tooth, and then adding these 6 tooth के surfaces and then divided by 6. Then the final score is the score for the plaque index. Okay, now what is the interpretation? If we are getting 0 score, then excellent, 0.1 to 0.9, that is good, fair 1 to 1.9, and poor, that is 2 to 3. Okay, thank you, hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe my video as it motivates me to make more videos.